When it comes to bringing your essential gear along for the ride, having the right storage options is key. With Slingshot, you have several integrated storage compartments and accessory bags that are all designed so that packing your favorite gear is easier than you might think. Slingshot storage is convenient, it's thoughtfully placed, and like everything else we build, it's well designed. Bringing workout gear and shoes? No problem. Extra jacket? Easy. A second pair of boots? Bring them. Dashboard bags, side bags, and a generous center console bag provide plenty of storage for whatever you choose to bring along. And when you decide to take that extra day for adventure, there's an overnight storage compartment behind the driver's seat and another one on the passenger side for whoever is riding shotgun. That means you and your passenger can go the extra mile, stay an extra day, and enjoy some extra time together out on the road. That's the Slingshot effect.